So guys, today I'm going to do a mini review sort of a video, and also I'm going to create a makeup look using MyGlamm products. I've picked up a bunch of products from them and I'm so excited to share it with you all. I'm going to show you the pigmentation, swatch and everything in this video. So sit back and relax, and we're going to roll this video with the makeup tutorial I have planned in my mind. So let's just get started before I talk too many things. So right now I have my base already set up. I'm going to start with lip balm. To start with, I've got first thing is this lip balm, and this is in the flavor cherry. I really like it. This is their superfood collection, and I'm just going to apply on my lips right now. It is very sort of a pigmented lip balm, and it's very nice and moist. It's not like a sticky lip balm, like, see, it's not like that. So it's very pigmented, as well as it is like a tinted sort of a lip balm, which I really like it. You get 12 hours of moisturized lips, and it also has SPF 20. So from MyGlamm, I actually picked up 4 palettes for eyeshadow, face and kind of contour sort of thingy. This is in a collaboration with Pop XO. So they have come up with these eyeshadow palettes, super cute and very affordable, guys. They look really pretty. So the first eyeshadow palette I have is a hot mess basically, and yeah, it's a hot mess. It's a summertime. So these are the shades in this palette. You get a pink, which is a beautiful vibrant pink color, neon yellow. You also get a nude earthy tone and also orange. This palette is just perfect for the summer season, guys. So these are the shades from the hot mess palette, and I'm going to apply one of these color on my eyelid and show you how it actually works. Take this earthy tone and I'm going to layer all over my eyelid, and just setting up my base so that, you know, I have a nice neutral base on my lid. Moving on, I'm going to use this face and eye kit palette which says Ryzen Shine. Absolutely love the names of these product, guys. So this has got your setting powder, your blusher, highlighter, and you also get 2 eyeshadows, which is amazing. In the small palette you get so many things. I'm going to use this setting powder and apply on my face. I'm going to use this earthy color, little darker than the previous palette, and I'm going to apply this on my inner corner of my eye so that I get little nice smoky shade. Since we don't have any darker shades, I'm just going to take this shade and play around with the colors. As you can see, it is actually giving a nice dimension to your eyes, which I really like it. Can you just see that? Absolutely love the pigmentation. You can build up the color so well. It is not at all cakey or powdery. Oh my god, I never expected this to work like so beautiful and flawless. Oh my goodness, can you just see the shades? Oh, beautiful. I'm gonna pick up this neon pink from this hot mess palette and see how I can play around with this color. I'm just gonna take this and dab it on my center of my eyelid, just to give little tinge of pink going on my eyelid. Not too much, just a tiny amount I want to create. So as you can see here, the pigmentation is just bomb. Not even kidding. This palette and use this orange color. I am already in love with this palette, guys. Not even kidding you. Very pigmented, guys. Very pigmented. I'm gonna take this orange color and just dab it on my eyelid, on my center of my eyelid basically, just to build up the pink shade so that we have a nice sort of sunrise going on, or you can say sunset going on. Are you guys a sunset person or a sunrise person? Do let me know. I would be interested to know that do you like sunset or sunrise. So I'm going to take this yellow color from the same palette and just create a very tiny line, which is not like a line, which I'm going to create a small line on my eyelid. It is also very pigmented, however slightly powdery. Let's see how it works. I hope it actually works well. Oh my god. Okay, this is going so good. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead back and forth just to give a nice smoky sunset look. So I'm just gonna do my other side of her eyes and be back. You can see my eye makeup is almost done. I absolutely love it. And I'm gonna use the same face kit palette, which is Ryzen Shine. And I'm gonna pick up this highlighter shade and apply on my inner corner as well as a little bit on my face as well. I'm going to take this highlighter and apply on my nose, cupid. Oh, we're gonna do little more of highlighter as well, but I'm already in love with this highlighter from the Ryzen Shine palette. MyGlamm palette, which has got a setting powder, highlighter as well as blush. I'm going to show you how I can actually use this palette to create a nice bronzy look. I absolutely appreciate the brand that they have put a setting powder also in the face kit palette, which is amazing, because sometimes you actually miss out this face setting powder, which is very important. Two shades together and create a bronze look. And yeah, this is a very nice peachy orangish color, very pigmented, a nice brown blusher. I'm just going to apply on my higher points of my cheek and then go ahead and blend it. Use this highlighter and apply on my cupid bone, all the highlighting areas. Next, I have this mini lipstick kit which contains 3 lipsticks and the shades are Hype, Bliss, Comfort Zone. I'm going to swatch all of them for you and we're going to go one by one. If you're someone like me who likes to use more of nude color on a daily basis, I think this is the palette you should go for. This has got all the beautiful nude shades in one kit itself, guys. How can I miss out not getting MyGlamm liquid lipstick? They are so affordable, so good quality, extremely long lasting. I have a huge bunch of their lipstick and I saw this color which is DTR and I really wanted to get my hands on, so I got this color. DTR is a color which everyone must have it, and this is very pigmented as you can see here. The color payoff is so gorgeous, guys. I really like it. This is a very beautiful Barbie pink. I absolutely love my makeup as well as the lipstick which I've just popped on my face, and it looks so good, guys. So last but not the least, how can I miss out on not getting nail polish? I have a huge collection of nail polish by now itself, you guys know it. I got this mini nail paint kit which has got 5 nail polishes: Sangria, Cupid, Swizzle, Risk, Karma. I actually like all the shades and I'm going to swatch one by one and show it to you. 249 rupees, you get 5 different shades, which is extremely good. And also you can check out all the details in the description box. I will have it linked down below. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye guys.